Hey guys, it's Beck here, and today I have this huge Schleich unboxing, so let's get right into it. I put this little Shetland foal on top of the box so that you could see how big it is, but anyways, let's get into opening, let's go. I just purchased this not too long ago and it came to me super fast. I got all of these items on sale for a really good price, so I did splurge a little bit and I'm super excited to open this box, guys. Alright, time for the big reveal. My goodness, you guys, look at all these beautiful Schleich. I am so excited to get them out of their boxes, so let's go. First box, and in here is the 5-piece horse collector bundle. This has 2 exclusive horses and 3 foals. Alright, we've got the Mustang foal and the Pinto foal, and then we've also got this adorable nap stripper foal right here. Here is the exclusive Arabian mare. Isn't she gorgeous? And here we have the stunning exclusive Pintavian stallion. What could be in this box? I know what it is. It's the 4-piece Farm World Dog Bundle, and guys, you already know these are my favorite, so I'm so happy to have more Schleich dogs to add to my collection. Look at this adorable golden retriever. This has to be one of my favorites. We've also got this really cute chocolate lab, a German Shepherd, and a Rhodesian Ridgeback. This next set is called the Antarctic Expedition, and I was so excited to see this on the Schleich website because I've always been obsessed with dog sledding, and I think it's so cool that Schleich made a dog sledding set. This husky is absolutely gorgeous, and look at this one, they're so pretty. So it turns out I was missing a few parts from my set, and I ended up getting 2 of the dog sledders. Look how cute the penguin is though. Anyways, I will have to contact customer service to see if they can send me some of the accessories that the set was missing, but I'm sure it'll get fixed. I'm not too worried about that. This is the Farm World Starter Set. Like it says, it comes with everything you need to start your own little farm. It comes with this teeny tiny golden retriever puppy. A brown and white spotted calf. a black and white cat, and a Tennessee Walker mare. Next up, I've got the Western riding set. This set comes with a beautiful horse, I think it's a quarter horse, a calf, a saddle and bridle, and a golden retriever. This dog will make a great addition to my golden retriever family that's growing. And of course, you get a cowgirl as well. Okay, I am so excited for this set. It is the veterinarian practice with pets, and it comes with some really cute animals, guys. Look at this teeny tiny little bunny. So I was putting the light together and it broke. Hopefully they can send me a replacement piece. Here's the veterinarian practice all put together. Last but not least, I have the 2023 Schleich Advent Calendar. I was a little late to get my hands on this, which is why I'm opening 3 of the days in this video. Well, that's it for my Schleich haul and the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, please leave a thumbs up and comment. It really means a lot. And subscribe to my channel for more Schleich videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye!